Hello everybody, today I'm back. I'm back with a Roblox video. Today I'm going to be showing you my new house. This is the gingerbread house. But first I need to plant some flowers. And I'm sorry there's no voice because on other videos, I I really turn on the voice a lot. And you guys can't hear me talking, so I hope Santa will come here. Well, anyways, let's start. Okay, I'll give you my house tour. So this is my house. This is the living room area because there's not a room. This isn't a room. This is an area because both of these are not the same rooms. So this is the kitchen. I have some things here that I can use to cook. And this is my niece's room. And I have a little girl named Amy. She's so cute. Oh no, I need to get her back. Okay. But in the end of this video, yeah, so my niece plays here with the toys. She's drinking water right now. And I have some decorations. And oh my god, where have I put this? Yeah. And yeah, this is the decoration area. This is my room. I have my outfits here that I can use for school. Yeah, right, for school. And I have some presents here. And this is my ball chair. I have a lamp, shelf, a heart shelf. And yeah, my meat room is right there. Now let's move on upstairs. This is the bathroom. I have the shower, mirror, sink, toilet paper holder, and the toilet. And I have my bedroom where the little baby can sleep. Oh my god, why do I have a cough? Okay. Oh my god. Okay, and I have a learning area for my kiddo. Oh my god, what's 30 plus 17? Oh, 45. Yeah, I already know that, so I'm just doing some practice. Oh no, little baby isn't sleeping. And the last but not least, the cough. I got some presents here on my brother's room. This is my brother's room, by the way. He has 2 beds. He has a swing, whee, and he has a TV dinner tray where he can watch anything he wants. Right now he wants to watch this. Yes. When he comes home from school, I'm gonna show him that he is watching that. I'm sorry, I have a bubble gum. Will hear me make a bubble. My cough. Oh yeah, you didn't hear me, but that's okay. I have some fidget spinners. Yes, I got a pink one. But I really do want a blue one. But that's all for the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed my house tour. And sometimes I'm going to change this house and make another house tour. So I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. And goodbye. See you on my next video.